Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonu Kumar and I have started 90 days spoken English challenge to improve my English. And today is day 6 of my spoken English challenge. And I am really happy to continuing this challenge without skipping any day. In the beginning, it was very difficult for me to speak in English in front of the camera. I used to feel nervous and confused while speaking. Sometimes I don't know what to speak and I was afraid of making mistake. But now after practicing few days I feel little more confidence and I can speak better than before and I am trying to improve every day. So every day I'm doing some work like I'm watching the English movies, podcast, and also I try to remember daily some words and after that I'll try to implement those words in daily life. And my goal is to speak English confidently in 90 days. I want to speak fluently and speak without hesitation. I know it will take time, but one day it will happen. So that I am continuing this session and this challenge. Now I can speak better than before, and I am trying to improve my skills every day. So every day I am trying to learn new words and I try to implement those words in my sentences. And after that, every day I watch some movies and videos in English. And also, I try to shadow those sentences in front of the camera. So it will give me lots of confidence and it will help me to build my communication skills. So these things I apply daily and this will I try to do for the next 90 days. I still I still make many mistakes while speaking. Sometimes I forget the word. Sometimes my sentences are not correct. But I'm not afraid of making mistake now because I know mistakes are the part of learning. So how much I do the mistake, that much I learn. So I do the mistake daily and my goal is to speak English confidently in 90 days. I want to speak fluently and speak without hesitation. I know it will take time, but one day it will happen. So that I am continuing this session and this challenge. If you are also struggling with English, then you can also start this challenge with me and practice daily. And don't afraid to make the mistake because mistakes are the part of the learning. So just you start from today. Slowly, definitely you improve and believe in yourself. So guys, this is day 6 of my journey. So can you see any improvement in my speaking? Just comment below and thank you for the watching.